A Tesla Cybertruck used as an ice cream truck was vandalized with hammer in Brookville, Ohio. The truck was damaged during broad daylight. The owner parked his truck outside. Some miscreants came in a gray SUV, quickly smashed the windows and left. Owner didn't have sentry mode on, but was alerted on his Ring camera. Person was caught apparently. All the windows including the roof was pretty damaged. There are no damages on the body or any panels for obvious reasons. The owner was using the truck as a mobile ice cream truck and relies on this vehicle for his ice cream business. The owner has tweeted an X to Elon Musk to replace the glass ASAP, so that he can resume his business. With the current situation with Cybertruck and the parts shortage, this looks like a 2-month job to fix it and thousands of dollars in cost.